You ever hear a turbo and it does this? And have you ever wondered why? Well, I'm gonna explain. Okay, let's just say you're modifying a car. Let's say you have a car that's naturally aspirated and you wanna do some forced induction, so you slap a turbo on it. When you slap this turbo on the car, you intend to make boost. And when you make boost, this boost needs to be released from somewhere, right? That's where you either get the blow-off valve or the notorious flutter. When you hear the boost pressure is escaping through the turbine of the turbocharger and not through a blow-off valve. This happens whenever there's a closed system without a blow-off valve. So the boost has nowhere else to go but to escape through the turbine of the turbo, and then you get that su-tu-tu-tu-tu. I hope this helped. Thank you.